1924. This is our room. This is a 1-bedroom deluxe, I believe. So let's see what we got here. Iron, closet, kitchen area, another closet, washer and dryer. I'm putting this on YouTube. Granite countertops. This would be a lockout if we wanted to share with someone else. This is locked. Dishwasher, sink, stove, refrigerator, and a cute little owl. And there's our breakfast area. He already taken the bed loose, so that's a pull-out couch. TV. And this is our bathroom that he and I will share. So this is the door to the master bedroom, or the main bedroom, whatever you want to call it. And this is the main bedroom with a king-size bed. There's another closet, hang your clothes up, a safe, dresser, it's a nice bed, some artwork, and there's the sink, soaking tub with jets. And then there's that other side of the bathroom we just saw a minute ago if you want to take a shower. So there we go. This is Club Wyndham Smoky Mountain in Sevierville, Tennessee.